I realized that I forgot to do the interior room, so we're gonna do that now. I got my ceiling and the left wall. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the bottom to the right, and then I'm gonna wing that one. Okay, so that's my back wall. If I wanted to make a bed that comes, like it's sitting here in the middle and it comes straight out, I'm gonna make my headboard first. This is more like a twin size bed. The higher up that I start my mattress, the wider it's gonna be when it ends. And since I kind of want it to end right here or come out at this angle, I'm gonna say that I have a really tall backboard. Oops, wiggle, wiggle. Then I just want to make sure that this is a horizontal line. I drop it down, I connect it across, I drop it down. There's the foot of my bed. So then I get rid of all the stuff that is kind of obstructing your view. So bed, pillow, straight out the back. Now, if I want my bed to be off to the right, let's just get rid of that real quick. And keep that floor or the wall, back wall. So if I want my bed to be off to the right, again, I make my headboard. So just a rectangle. I'm going to use, I think right here as the top of my mattress, because that's already got a line there. That's easy. And that means that's the top back corner of my mattress, which means it's gonna cross right about there. Oh, that's not quite horizontal, is it? Maybe it goes off the page a little. And I got my front rectangle, and this one is gonna go back to that line. So I get rid of this in here. I get rid of that right there. And since that one comes here, if I was to draw an imaginary line, it'd be right there. Doesn't seem like it would be that high, but it is. It's a very long bed. Maybe I should have made it shorter. Maybe it should be like here. You okay, Broccoli? Broccoli is my dog. Okay, so we've got our bed. Need a pillow. What else should be in our room? Maybe a bookcase. So I want, if this is where the wall meets the floor, then this is where the wall meets the floor. And that's where I want to start whatever it is that I'm making in my room. So I want my bookcase to start right here. This is why you need to use a ruler, because look at how wonky my lines are. Okay, it's gonna come straight out at the top. Then we're gonna connect those using a ruler, doing this way to be fast. And then I'm gonna make this go all the way up there. Even though that technically wouldn't be touching the wall, I'd need to make it go further to touch the wall. And then I will add in my bookcases, my bookshelves. Just know that they have to go along these imaginary lines, like if I had made lines that go all the way to the center. So these tilt up, and up here above the horizon line, they start tilting down. If I wanted to make a desk that's off to the side, something that you can see the top of, again, I start at the bottom where the wall meets the floor. I come up, maybe it comes up to here. I'm gonna come horizontal out, bring it back down. So this is basically the rectangle just without the bottom, because it's a desk. I'm gonna use this line that I already have here, use that imaginary line and I think it's gonna go all the way to the bookcase. So this becomes the top, which sits right against my bookcase. This is the leg and the back leg. If I wanted a desk up here, like it's sitting in the middle of the room floating, horizontal line, and use these ray lines. Probably have longer legs than that. If you wanted a rug in the center of your room instead of a desk, you're going to use these ray lines. My purple's starting to go out. Okay, so that would be your rug shape. It has to use that. Let's say you wanted a poster on the wall or a window. So use the ray line. Maybe it's a poster over here. But maybe on this side, oh, does that go above? Well, whose window goes all the way to the ceiling? So we'll drop it down. That's poster, sorry. So this is your ceiling. I kind of forgot to notate that. Okay, on the other side, maybe you have a cork board right by your bed. But then maybe you have a window over here. And maybe the window goes down further. So on this one, our line is something like that. So that's what we use. Maybe there's different panes that go in different directions. I get rid of that line. I don't need it anymore. If you had something on the back wall, like say a door, it would be straight up and down, like rectangular. If you had a window back here or a mirror or something, corkboard, whatever it is, it would be square or rectangular. It would not have any distortion because it's on the wall that's square. I hope that helps.